Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship. And this card is for your career circumstance, Gemini. And today I'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck for y'all. That will be the moon energies for you. And one card for your love guidance. We will leave it here. And one fortune cookie card for y'all, guys. So let's see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Gemini. So let's start with these cards here. We have Queen of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Two of Swords. So, in your circumstances today, Gemini, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are not happy about something. Something is making you anxious, something is making you really worried. Maybe today you do not know the truth about some circumstance. It may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So you see yourself in a lot of confusion, doubts, and you feel that you cannot trust this person because they are not telling you the truth. Maybe they are hiding their true feelings and you are not aware of what is in their heart. Maybe, and they are not showing you their true face. Maybe, guys, they are, what to say, you feel that something is missing in this relationship because this person, maybe according to you, they are not trustworthy or loyal. And though you are someone really honest, you are trying your best, trying to have a good relationship with this person, but this person is not telling you something important. And that may be the reason for your worries or anxieties. And you see the way they are, maybe the words they speak or their actions may be something really superficial and you do not see anything true in that. You do not see them as a honest person. So you feel that you cannot trust this person for some reason, guys. And you are making important decisions. You love them and you want this relationship to work. You have done your best. You have tried really hard for a long time now. And you don't know what will be the future of this relationship, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys. Let's see what it is. And it is Four of Pentacles. Maybe the reason this relationship is not working, maybe it may be stubbornness on someone's part. Maybe this person is quite stubborn and they are holding on to their way of things, their ideals or beliefs, and they have that attitude and they do not want to change themselves no matter what. Though you love this person, they are not willing to change for you. Or it may be your energy towards this relationship. And you are making some important decisions, and these decisions are very difficult for you guys. But these decisions are necessary to be made, and it is making you really worried, and maybe you are feeling really emotional today. Maybe some of you are even crying to make this choice today. But this is the, what to say, the destiny of this relationship, maybe. So, this stubbornness or their unwillingness to change may be the reason for things going this way in this relationship, Gemini. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is, guys. It's Hermit in reverse. So, in your work situation, you have some fears. Maybe you are worried about your future or how things will go, and you are trying to be more careful, or you must be more careful today, guys. But for some of you, it may be an unreasonable fear you have. Maybe you are just worried for nothing. Maybe things will fall into place, only time will tell for what is going to come in your circumstances, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your moon energy, guys. Today we picked one card for your moon energies, and it says a romantic cycle begins. So maybe in your situation, maybe in your love situation, things will change. Compromise may happen, guys. Maybe you may give up your stubbornness, or this person may give up their stubbornness. And the way to do that is to keep yourself calm and composed. Maybe thinking too much of something is not going to help you. So, if you truly love this person, you must reach out to them, guys. That is going to change the way things are going today. So, maybe this relationship may work for some of you if you are going for that meaningful communication, Gemini, and things may fall into place, things may move towards marriage or commitment. So, you must try to think of this circumstance, try to take that bigger picture, see the bigger picture instead of being really selfish today. So, for your love guidance, let's see what is the card for you guys, Gemini. We have tolerance. So, again, a very apt love guidance for you all. So, in your circumstances, if you are able to honor and respect what others feel, what others truly feel, and find that balance, trying to see others' point of view, you are going to find that balance in your circumstances no matter what. So you will feel happy, and you should not go for judgment, guys. Just like us, they are also our fellow travelers, and they have gone through a lot just like us, and they need encouragement, respect, and support just like we expect from others. So that is what this card means, Gemini, and that is the reading with this card. So this is the time for your fortune cookie, Gemini. Tough and trying times. Tough times ahead. Think long term and make decisions accordingly. Avoid negative people at all costs. So that is your lucky inspiration, what you can do today, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.